Ben first started dating Abby, we knew who she was, obviously, because it's Grand Forks, but we didn't know her, and I was like, what's Abby like? And Ben said, and I quote, "She is a lot like you, but way cooler."
Abby, it wasn't long after becoming friends that I knew there was something special about us. Our feelings weren't just a passing fling, but a deep and enduring love that continues to grow and strengthen every day.
Ben, it's our wedding day. It feels surreal that today is finally here. You are truly one of a kind. You're everything I could have hoped for in a partner and so much more. I feel overwhelmed with gratitude to be building a life with you. I know for certain that our days and years ahead together will be filled with endless support and throughout anything, unconditional love. Okay, you can turn around.
Hey, Abby.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh, you look amazing. Oh. Any day that begins and ends with you is a good day. Whether we're traveling widely across the country and world, or sharing a quiet Sunday morning together, you have been my greatest friend. And today marks the beginning of an adventure of a lifetime.
I can understand how two young people who grew up in Grand Forks, who live in Minneapolis, chose a scripture text about winter being over. And so now, here we are at the end of June, and everything is blooming and wonderful, and the wind is blowing.
I want to thank everyone for coming out today. Gas prices, travel, existing priorities, and anything else in the way did not stop each and every one of you from being here to support Abby and Ben. Ben, you've been a brother to me for quite some time now, and I'm so happy we can officially call it that. I love both of you two so much and could not be more excited about this next chapter.
Well, I think they treat each other so great. You just know they're meant to be.
I can't even remember a time with Ben without Abby.
They've continued to grow and grow and grow. They always have supported each other.
That's one of the beauty of the relationship they have, and I don't know, personally, it's something I aspire to have.
I think they've always had this great magical dynamic between the two of them.
It's always been something that I would strive for in my own relationship.
Oh, they're great. They're a good match.
Get along great.
Super. Perfect.
Highly organized.
A match made in heaven.
We sure are glad you two got together. We're convinced you're going to make it forever and ever. Very, very happy for you.
We love you.
Love you.
Love you very much.
Love you guys.
We love you.
We love you.
Love you guys.
Just love you so much, and I know you're gonna have the best life ahead of you. I can't wait to see what happens.